Oviedo, located in Asturias, Spain, is home to a stunning collection of Gothic art and architecture dating back to the 13th century. This city boasts cathedrals, churches, and monasteries, showcasing medieval craftsmanship at its peak. The Gothic style in Oviedo features soaring spires, intricate stone carvings, and magnificent stained glass windows, reflecting a period of prosperity and religious zeal. These masterpieces highlight the city's enduring faith and artistic heritage. Cathedral of San Salvador. This 13th-century wonder includes the Holy Chamber and exquisite stained glass windows. Church of San Isidoro El Real, a blend of Gothic and Baroque styles with an ornate altarpiece. Monastery of San Vicente, founded in the 8th century, showcasing a stunning Gothic cloister. Church of San Juan El Real features a Gothic-inspired facade and valuable medieval sculptures. Palace of the Marquis of San Feliz, a 16th-century palace with Gothic elements. Church of Santa María del Naranco, a UNESCO World Heritage Site showcasing pre-Romanesque architecture. Museum of Fine Arts of Asturias, housing a vast collection of Gothic religious art. Best time to visit: spring and fall for mild weather and fewer crowds. Guided tours available. Local companies offer guided tours, and self-guided maps are provided by the tourist office. Photography policy: non-flash photography permitted in most areas, but always check before taking pictures. Active places of worship. Many Gothic churches in Oviedo still serve as parishes. Entrance fees. Some sites are free, while others may charge a small fee. Immerse yourself in the beauty of Oviedo's Gothic masterpieces and appreciate the intricate craftsmanship and spiritual significance of these timeless treasures. From soaring ceilings to delicate sculptures, each piece tells a story of faith, devotion, and artistic skill. Don't miss the chance to witness the transformative power of Gothic art in this enchanting city.